Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. We're gonna try again. That last deal barely made it an hour. Although it could come back, so maybe keep an eye on it, but I don't know. Here we go. We have a Milwaukee M18 fuel drill, two 5 amp hour batteries, the charger, and the hard plastic case. Northern Tool has it listed for $179, but we also have a key code that brings it down to $159 with free shipping. By the way, is there any other website on the planet that calls their promo codes key codes? What were they thinking? Were they trying to be contrarian? Like, oh, everyone else calls it a promo code. We will call it a key code. So weird. Anyway, they call it a key code. It brings $20, takes $20 off, brings it down to $159. So you're getting the two 5 amp hour batteries. So if we just look at Home Depot right now, they sell the batteries by themselves, the same batteries, for $229. So I don't know how many people are actually going out and paying $229 for those batteries, but if we look at it from that lens, you're also getting the fuel drill with the auxiliary side handle and the charger and case at a much lower price than just the batteries otherwise. So I will put a link down below to the post on my website that has the key code and everything. Then if we take a quick tour around some other websites with this same kit, you can see right now Amazon $271.99. So if you have a selling account on Amazon, that might be a flip for you. Here is Home Depot with the entire purchase, $279 for the entire kit. Acme Tools, $279. They do right now have a promo code that takes 20% off, so I think that brings it down to about $225, but still much more expensive than Northern Tool. We have the same deal here at CPO, $279 with that 20% discount. $285.99 from Tool Barn. We can always count on Tool Barn to give us the highest possible price on an item. If you're ever looking like, what's full-blown retail? What's the most anyone could possibly ever spend on this item? Check Tool Barn. That is what they're useful for. Now, buying products? No, they're not so useful for that, but great comparisons. So anyway, hopefully this deal lasts a little longer. Northern Tool is notorious, maybe infamous, for canceling deals, but that's usually when we start combining, like it comes with the free item and we used a key code and we got this and we got that. It's like their computer system isn't smart enough to disallow certain things, so they just go through and cancel a bunch of orders. Now this one, you're not getting anything for free. You're just using the key code, which applies in the cart. So what I'm saying is, I think you will actually get it, and free shipping. They don't have free shipping on all their stuff, so that's a nice little extra perk. But $159, everyone else has it, tremendously more expensive. It's not the latest model. I think this particular kit came out in about 2018, but still completely serviceable. Gets you into Milwaukee's lineup or expand your Milwaukee lineup. Maybe you just want the batteries and you sell off the drill or something. You do you. All right, let's hope this lasts. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe for another subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.